Icebreaker Oden is the world's biggest diesel-electric icebreaker. It was built in 1989 in Gothenburg, Sweden, and it's still today working in the Baltic Sea during winter time. Rest part of the year is working for Swedish Polar Expedition in the Arctic. The reason for this project was that the jet thruster systems with metal piping has been in bad shape and need to be replaced. First, they get a corrosion-free PE piping system. Second thing, they achieve with a smooth inner surface the same volume of water than the metal pipes in bigger dimension. That's a saving with smaller dimension in these very tight areas.
When we speak about plastic piping system, we have to know that plastic does not corrode with salt water. And this in particular was the key argument for the retrofit of the piping system.
We have installed around 200 meters of pipe and 100 pieces of couplings, elbows, tees, so on. We have spent more or less 2,000 hours, which is much more cost efficient comparing to installing steel pipes and fittings. We have used Georg Fischer PE 100 pipes because it has a very long lifetime and it's very, very strong material. We are happy to work with GF Piping System. They are always supporting us when it's needed. And this is a collaboration between Georg Fischer, Star and Olander, Sweden.
GF Piping System provided fittings and electrofusion couplers, and the GF Engineering Service helped with the check of the structural integrity, with the dimensioning of the pipe, and in particular with the electrical consumption study for the pump and in particular the jet thruster system.
Jet thruster system helped the vessel to navigate in ice-covered sea. It means that the vessel spread with nozzles in front of the vessel, high pressure water out on the ice. And in the end, it will help the vessel to save energy.
The most challenging in this project is the confined space, that we have a very limited space to install the pipes.
Due to that, we needed to design an entire new system with only customized fittings where almost no standardization was possible. So that resulted in a lot of checks and detail analysis and design for almost everything.
The installation was made by 14 installers during 2.5 weeks to complete the installation. And after the installation was done, the ship owner made a test driving of the system and it was working excellent.